Your character is your real identity. Money and fame are temporary. Wealth and status may bring recognition for a while, but they do not define who you truly are. What remains in people's hearts, and more importantly in the sight of Allah, is your honesty, kindness and integrity. A person with good character earns respect that lasts beyond a lifetime, while riches and fame fade away like dust in the wind. True success is not in how much wealth you accumulate, but in how you treat others, how sincere you uphold justice, and how steadfastly you stand by your principles. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The best among you are those who have the best character." No amount of money can buy the love and trust that good character earns. So focus on building a reputation that is based on truth, humility, and sincerity. Because in the end, it is your character, not your wealth, that will define your true legacy in this world and the hereafter.